Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, I'm going to explain the difference between experimental horror films and Hollywood films. The difference is, really, we don't like one another. We don't like each other's filming styles and the way things are done. Essentially, Hollywood will tell us that our films are shaky, out of focus, shallow depth of field, and using aspiring actors. Well, this is all true, but we do have a cult following. And there are many others before us, famous film directors in experimental film who do have a cult following and have become self-made millionaires as well. Our films and experimental horror films back in the 70s and the 80s, you had to go to the underground markets to buy them. It was nothing bad, it just simply meant the gore and the violence, the make-believe stuff, was simply something that the MPAA, Motion Picture Association of America, would not allow in their films. So we wanted something more as fans, as independent experimental filmmakers, and that's what we got. Today it's a lot different. We have the internet, fans of this genre of experimental and horror, independent, low budget, no budget. We can simply purchase these online. And we know what we're all getting into. And it's all a fun, good time with all the gore, special effects, comedy, extreme horror, extreme gore. These are essentially the differences. They don't like at Hollywood that we have a certain fan base, a certain style of films that they cannot market on and release, and that we can. Those are the big difference. We can make a lot of profit, have a lot of fan base, and have a good time. Especially in the United States, we also have horror conventions for this. All right, so those are the big differences between Hollywood versus the experimental film genre. Hope this helps. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel and put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.